All right, Eli. Today I'm going to show you how to make biscuits and gravy. It's one of the boys' favorite recipes. Every time I see them, they want me to make it for them.
Yep.
So we're going to make biscuits and gravy, and I'm going to show them how to do it too. So now you'll know how, and the boys. We say the boys, but it's Dominic, Maddox, and Quinn.
So the boys.
So they're the boys. All right. First thing we got to do is we've got to make the biscuits. And I just buy the frozen bran biscuits. These work just as good, I think. It's a lot easier than making them homemade. And here, just put 6 biscuits in there. We've already preheated the oven. And you can use these, or you can use the canned biscuits, which my roommate in college, Chip, and my friend growing up, he used to call them wampum biscuits because you wamp the can on the side of the counter to open them up. But here, oh look, this is a secret. The one side of the biscuit's flat, so you want that to be on the bottom. There you go. Is 6 going to be enough, or do you guys want more?
I think 6 would be good.
Okay.
I think we should have one for at least all of us, which would be 7.
Okay. So here, just throw some more in there, so it'll be even. Okay. There you go, like that. All right.
So Quinn can put those in the oven.
Yeah, Quinn. Put them in the oven. It's already preheated. And who has their phone?
No, me. I'm gonna grab it.
Set a timer for 22
Alexa,
minutes.
22 minutes?
22.
No, wait, there's Alexa. Oh wait, yeah. Alexa, set a timer for 22 minutes.
22 minutes, starting now.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
All right, now let's come over here. We've got to start off with sausage. In this recipe, I normally do 2 pounds of sausage. I double this recipe, but we're only doing 1 pound. That'll be enough for all of us to get 1 biscuit. But if you want to do more, you can do more. We're using the Jimmy Dean sage sausage. However, if I do 2, I usually do 1 hot sausage and then 1 either original or sage. All right, you throw that in the trash can, and I'll wash my hands. Oh, and cut the heat on medium.
Medium? There's a medium.
All right, and then we just chop the sausage up and brown it. You can stir that.
Stir it or mash it?
Mash it and stir it. You can cut it and stir it. Just be careful.
Okay.
Is there anything you want to tell Eli while you're cooking? No? You want to tell him you scored a touchdown in your football game? You did.
Quinn, anything you want to tell him?
No.
You don't want to tell him about today and your big win?
Oh yeah, I got first place in
Yeah.
a competition. Yeah.
Maddox? I have nothing. Yeah,
He
you
has a
do.
girlfriend.
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, you do. It's a girl. That's a friend.
It's a girl that's a friend. That's all that matters. All right, so the meat has been browned. The sausage has. And you take the sausage. I need one of you boys to come here and give me 4 tablespoons of
Flour?
flour.
Can I
Yes.
I haven't done anything else. Let me.
The big spoon is the tablespoon.
Do this.
Here.
One of you
I
will-
do one. You do one. Like,
Okay,
no,
here.
like the rest. Tablespoon.
Here.
So that means I do 3.
Oh. Just 1 tablespoon. Yeah, 1 even tablespoon. There. Drop it in. And then you just take this and you mix it in with the.
Want me to do another one?
Yeah, just go ahead and do 4. Dominic left. Okay. And you mix this with the sausage. Okay. Yep. Third. And then we'll do 1 more after this. And you don't drain the sausage, so it takes the grease from the sausage and mixes with this with the flour.
All right, Dominic, are you gonna want to do the milk?
Yeah. All right. And we keep this going until we want the flour to get not too brown, but you want to brown up the flour just a little bit in the pan. We have it on a little bit higher than medium heat right now. All right, Dominic, come here. All right. Now you should start adding a little bit of milk, and it's 2 cups of milk.
Okay.
Right there.
So just pour it all in?
Well, not all, just pour a little bit in.
Okay. Tiny bit?
Yeah, hold it over and just drop a little bit. Keep going.
Like that?
Yep.
That?
Yeah, I'll tell you when to stop. All right, that's good. All right.
How is it even burning me?
Quinn, come here. You can do some.
Okay.
Here, put a little bit of milk in there. All right, there you go. Good job. Now we just keep pouring. We keep pouring it
Quinn.
in there
Keep pouring.
while it thickens up. Okay, a little bit more. No, you can keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. All right, that's good. Thanks, man. And you may or may not need more 2 cups. Sometimes I use a little less, sometimes I use a little more. It just depends on how it looks. All right, a little bit more. And this recipe, like I said earlier, it's easily doubled. You just, that's good. You just use, if you want to use 2 pounds of sausage and then 4 cups of milk and half a cup of flour instead of the 1/4 cup, that'll work. All right, go ahead and pour the rest of the milk in there. Yep, that's good. All right, and we'll let it thicken up. All right, boys. Now we want to put some red pepper flakes in there.
Okay.
They're right there behind the flour.
Where is it? Oh, here's the red pepper flakes.
We get the red pepper flakes.
And then how much do I add?
As much as you want.
It needs to be popped open.
Okay.
And I can add how much I want.
Yes.
Yep, just a few sprinkles.
That's only gonna need some sprinkles because I don't really. There.
Okay. And get some black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yes.
And then, is there a specific type or just as how much I like?
Just as much as you like.
Okay. No.
But you need a lot.
Oh.
Because the sausage is flavored, but but it does have 2 cups of milk in it, which is pretty bland.
Okay.
So you definitely want to put
Quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Several sprinkles.
Yeah.
There.
I think a little bit more than that.
Me and your lot are different. Here, this little. There you
Oh.
go.
You
There
said
you
it's
go.
You already said several, so I did several.
That's fine.
Trevor loves his pepper.
Yes. Definitely need a lot of pepper in your sausage gravy. And we may even put a little bit more crushed red pepper in there.
Yeah,
later.
who wants to do some more of the crushed red pepper?
I'll do it.
All right, Maddox.
Okay.
All right. That's good. Thank you.
Great job, man.
Good job. And can you guys get the salt? And
Quinn.
I don't always put salt in it, but I feel like it might need a little bit of salt, even though I know there's a lot of sodium in the sausage. That works. Yeah, just, that should be good. All right, thanks. It's going good. We'll cut it down to medium low. Let it thicken up. And then at this point, you just let it thicken up. If it gets a little too thick on you, you can add a little bit more milk.
Alexa, timer off.
All right, boys. Let's get the biscuits out.
That's a huge difference. Went from a white, tiny cookie to a huge thing.
Yeah, biscuits look good. All right, here we go.
You guys ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Let's get one out. Split the biscuit. Oh, that's good.
All right, guys, come stand over here because you're gonna taste test this.
I go first. Fine, and then me.
It's gonna be very hot. You might want to cool it down for a second. Here you go.
Take a little bite because it's warm.
You good? All right, Quinn, you can try some. Actually, you can have the whole plate now, Quinn. That's yours.
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Awesome. All right, Eli, I love you and miss you, and we'll see you in a week. Well, actually, a week from right now, but this won't be posted for a while. So, you want to tell Eli bye?
I love you, Eli. Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
be
quiet.
Stop.
All right, Dom's getting the taste test in, Eli. All right, Dom, get your taste test in. Let's see how it is. What do you think that is? 10 out of 10? 9 out of 10?
Out of 10,
Yes.
a billion.
A billion? Awesome. All right, you want to tell Eli bye?
Bye, Eli.
All right.
Bye, Elijah. Jojo loves you.